What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Domestic Imports. My name's Preston, as always, and today I'm going to be trying to start this Subaru. So buckle in and hold on, because here we go. So yeah, like I said in the quick little intro there, I'm just trying to get this thing done so I can get it out of the way, because I'm tired of seeing it. It's nothing I got against the car, it's just I hate seeing it sit. It's just like that car right there and that car right there, and now that one and that one. So I'm having the time of my life right now with these cars. But you know what, we're gonna get it fixed, we're gonna get it resolved. Always stay positive. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the battery on. I already went ahead and hooked the evap solenoid to like the hoses to it. Got that done, got the antifreeze in it, oil in it, oil filter, got all that done. So everything's good now. Now I just need to throw this battery on it. Hopefully it has a good charge on it. If not, I could go grab the charger real quick, which I might have to do, but you know. And then before I do anything, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the fuel relay, or the fuel fuse out. What that does is, whenever I crank over, because like whenever you rebuild an engine, you know it's dry, there's no lubrication in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bump it a couple of times, let the oil get into all the passages and all that, so that everything gets all nice and lubed before I actually start it. And once I do that, let it crank over a few times, put the fuse back in it for the injectors, and then see if she'll start. So yeah, that's where I'm pretty much at. This is going to be a short video on this part. I'll give you guys a little update at the end on what's happening with the other cars, all the other cars. So yeah, so let's get to the clip of me actually putting it in, you know, the battery, of course, not the engine. We already did that. Hit play and you're good to go.
Are we recording?
Yes.
No. What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be taking this apart and throwing it away.
I've already done the intro. Yes, hi. Dude.
What's up, kiddos and old ladies? Today we're gonna be putting this 2JZ into this RX-7.
You're supposed to be filming me.
Oh, sorry.
This is God. This is why I've never hired you as a cameraman, because you go do this other shit.
What's up, gang? Today we're gonna be putting a battery in a Legacy GTR S 40th anniversary edition. Right here we have the turbo lines. This is where we're gonna put our methanol.
Some meth.
We're gonna be running meth. So that's where you put the battery, if you didn't know. Fortunately, this mechanic right here doesn't know which way it goes. Luckily, I'm here to tell him.
I hate these trays. I will just bungee cord it. Fuck it.
Good job. You might need that.
Yeah. Let's see, I think that's a 10 and that may be a 12.
We got coolant.
Here, watch out.
It's right there.
Yeah, I see it. So I give up. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I'm done, you guys. God, this video is gonna be 30 minutes long if we keep this up.
Where's it go?
So You see how that is right there? Yeah, it just, boop, you know, so I'll just put that on later, okay? Yeah. So, is this still going? Yeah. It just turns off the screen.
Gotcha. This is our supercharger pulley.
You have fun with that. I gotta probably know my fucking things in here. Ha!
We got ourselves a 7-speed manual out of a Koenigsegg Agera R. As you can see, it runs very well. Oh. I feel like an old lady driving this thing. As you can see here, this is my prized possession. It's a 1992 Honda Prelude. Very beautiful car. The fitment could be better. It's currently sitting here because there's no distributor on it. It's got flat tires. Other than that, runs good. Very beautiful. I love you.
So it's not a 12. Well, fuck. That's parked. Has anybody told you lately how annoying you are?
Every day.
Good, because they need to tell you 2 times more.
What was that?
They need to tell you 2 times more.
What was that?
Go ahead, step on them. You'll be alright.
Them dogs.
So I think Dad did those. Hey, check the oil, see how it looks. See if we got any milkshaking going on. Here, why don't we just... No, we're good.
We're good.
I have to put a little bit more in it, but we're good. It's alright for right now. I needed a 14. Okay, serious. Okay. Just stay, like sort of stay back and just, yeah. But get me, you know. Are you even looking at it? Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, hey, there's the screen again. All right, serious time.
You know, this is worse than taking your brother anywhere. Wait, this is Lucy.
Huh?
I'm listening in.
You won't be doing that, boy.
No, because now I'm tightening it. You better back the fuck up. Where the fuck did it go?
He's in my mouth.
Just FYI, I'm allergic to bees. And wasps and all that. I'm allergic. Will you get that out of my face? I'm about to take it back.
You asked me to do this, and it's a whole lot more funny when it's... Way more fun when I record. I can't wait to watch this video.
Can't wait to get my computer going so I can edit this video. Oh, by the way, everybody, I also got a new computer. I don't know how close that is to my face.
It's fine. I can see it. So.
Okay. Yeah, so hopefully I can start running 4K videos instead of 1080p. So, okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take that from him and use it as an actual selfie. Now what I'm gonna do is I've got the battery hooked up. I'm going to be taking the fuse out of the injectors so that way it can get fluid like I said before, and then we can go from there. So I'm afraid to hand this back to him because, you know, he's doing that shit right there. Oh, is it smudged? It looks like a camera smudge, dude. Did you get it smudged? What the hell? Yeah, now that looks better, okay?
小小生活，现在我有冰淇淋，我好甜美冰淇淋。
Ah, fuel pump. So, hey. So fuel pump is right there. That's the one that we're gonna be pulling. So it's a 15 amp. Come down here, it should be that guy right there. Yeah, that guy right there. Maybe. Sorry you guys, I get so nervous doing this. Oh wait, it probably helps if I use these cheap ass plastic. Ah, it worked. So now the moment of truth. Set that right there. Go and stand right there. I'm just gonna bump it a few times. Okay.
Okay.
It's dead.
So we're gonna have to get the.
I did that. We're gonna have to get the charger. So now you can goof off, do what you want.
As you just heard, it's dead. Basically, battery no power.
Well, it has power, it just doesn't have enough to start.
Shut up. Battery no power. Alternator no power. Meaning distributor no power, no timing, no start. Can I pause this?
Yeah, like a camera. Alright, so I had to quickly grab the battery charger, which is right there. Love this thing. I think you can get these at Walmart. Don't know how much they are, but it has the 6 to 2 amp charge, the 30 amp boost, 100 amp for engine starts. It even asks, you know, what kind of battery it is. I think it's just a standard. Hi. And yeah, it's really cool. But I got that hooked up, letting it charge real quick. Then we're gonna see what happens.
I snorted crack.
You look like you snorted crack.
Hey, fuck you, bud.
Hey, this is a kid show, okay?
Sorry. Frick you, pal.
Is bud a cuss word?
Heck off. Guy.
Anyways, so Teach, you want to do the honors of holding it and watching it while I turn it over, or
Oh yeah, I can do that.
do you want to turn over the car?
No, it's alright, I'll record. What's up, guys? We just got finished with a 2JZ swap. No, I'm just kidding. Stop that. Damn, sounds good.
I'm gonna let the battery start though.
You might want to do that.
Okay, so still not doing, you know, car noises. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it sit here and charge. Battery's probably really dead on it, so I'm gonna let that do its thing, and then I'll hopefully get back to you guys. So hold on. Or I don't know. Dave. Anyways, we'll be right back. So I don't know what's going on with it. I turned the key and it just doesn't do nothing. So I'm gonna try to figure it out and hopefully just try to bump it over a little bit, see what's going on with that. And yeah, I'll videotape whenever it does start, so I'll let you guys know here in a second. All right, so figured out what the problem was, why I wasn't cranking. There was a wire that goes to the starter and I didn't see it. It was tucked in behind close to the firewall. So I did bump it over a few times, let it try to get some oil in there. I haven't really put the fuel pump fuse back in it because one of the injectors started spewing out when I tried it before, spewed out gas, so we're gonna have to look at that. May not be seated right, so gonna bump it a few more times to get the lubrication in there just to make sure everything's okay. But other than that, we'll get a video of it starting. So we got everything pretty much up to code. It's not leaking anywhere down there, so we're gonna try it and see. I got the fuel fuse back in there, so we're just gonna see. Go ahead. Hell. Well, there we go. That sounds like belts. Well, awesome, dude. Woo! This is Dad, by the way. Holy shit! There's a cloud. It's okay.
Uh-oh.
Woo!
Don't rev it.
Yeah, just.
I'm gonna put my foot on the floor.
I saw it. I saw it through the wall.
Hey, somebody go get Mom. But anyways, guys, this wraps up this video. I'll probably be doing a little bit more on the others. So yeah, it's running. Don't know how it's gonna do down the road because it's not tagged or anything, but for right now it's running. So
You do that?
yeah, so we'll see you guys later. Peace.